On this video, we're going to review the Gotrax Nova Hoverboard. It is for kids and adults, maximum speed 6.2 miles per hour, which is pretty good. You should not go on grass or off-roading with this particular board. Weight capacity is 176 to 200 pounds. It looks pretty cool. It's very easy. It's got stability built into it. Comes in multiple colors. Stay tuned for the whole video. This is the Gotrax Nova Hoverboard. As you can see, it has 6.5-inch LED wheels, which provide a pretty cool experience for both indoors and outdoors on flat surfaces. You do not want to go over grass in this particular board. There's a better off-road Gotrax board for that. The wheels create a pretty smooth and comfortable ride, making it pretty easy to control and to get on and off. One thing about the Gotrax is that its hoverboards have passed a pretty strict system tests, including electrical battery and charger tests, and they've been approved and certified to make sure that it is very safe for children. Now let's talk about the features. The board has dual 200-watt motors and a maximum speed of 6.2 miles per hour, which is actually pretty fast. It uses 25.2 volt 2.6 amp battery and can ride up to 3.1 miles on a single charge. The Nova is equipped with a self-balancing control system that allows it to go straight, make turns, rotate 306 degrees in place, and be operated at will, going forward, backwards. The travel distance will depend on the user's weight, the type of terrain you're on, and other factors. This hoverboard isn't just for kids, absolutely not. It can also be ridden by adults, and therefore it can be pretty good, unique gift for your friends and family. I weigh more than 190 pounds, and this Nova board definitely gets me place to place. In conclusion, this is a pretty cool, unique gift if you're going to give it to an adult or a kid. It does struggle on unsmooth surfaces like grass and bumpy inclines, so that's something you may want to consider, but it's a pretty fun toy, and I don't think it's going to be a problem for most people. Thanks for the video. I'll see you guys in the next one.